guys, welcome to my channel. And so it's me again, and if you watched my spoof video from like 15 minutes ago, at the end of the video I said I was going to do the Hollycopter Christmas tag, so a squishy Christmas tag. So I'm going to be doing that tag today. I tell all of you watching this video. So let's get on with the video. So I have written down all the questions here, and I will leave all the questions down below in the description box below if you would like to do the squishy tag. She also has them in the description down below in her channel. So yes, so I am not trying to copy her video in any way, shape, or form. I'm just doing it because I really like the idea. And guys, if I don't have a squishy from the for like a question, I'm going to be doing a dare with my squishies, and I don't have the dares right now, but I have the dares coming up. So wait for that. So yeah. Alright guys, so I have all these dares in this little bucket. So yeah, I just randomly made these dares. So yeah, so let's get started on the squishy tag. So the first question is, which squishy would you use in an ornament? So I would use this squishy as an ornament. So I would hang this on my tree because I love the color pink and I love the color white, and white tree with pink ornaments is so cute because my friend has one. She sent me a picture and I really love her tree, and yeah. So I really like it. I mean, isn't it so, and it's so cute. It has a little strawberry and that cute face. It's really defective, but that's okay. And it has a gold ball chain. Question number 2 says, which squishy should pull Santa's sleigh? I don't really have a character squishy, but I would say I guess scarecrow. I don't know. I mean, okay. Erase that whole entire thing. I would say this little character bun. I don't even know what this is supposed to be, but I would say this would pull Santa's sleigh. It's not cute, or I don't like it, but I mean, it's better than nothing. Number 3, which squishy to enjoy by the fire, drink, and food? So I am going to be doing a dare and a squishy because I don't have a drink. So I would pick a macaroon, and this is the tag. So it's the purple macaroon I would pick to eat by the fire. So now I have to pick a dare because I don't have a squishy for. Okay. Put a squishy on a spinning fan. So I have a fan right there, so I'm just gonna do that. Like, okay. So I'm just gonna put you guys on the ground because you guys can see that. And the squishy I'm gonna put on the sky, or on the fan, is this donut one. And this is really weird. Knew it. Okay. So I'll put it right here. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? You guys can see that. It's right there. So, I don't want to like turn it on, but I'll spin it. There you go. It's spinning and it's squishing on. Alright. I'll leave it on there. Alright guys, that was a really weird video. That was really weird. Okay. Next one. Which squishy do you want which squishy do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas? Guys, so I want Santa to bring me the squishy cornet because I don't have that. So that's the squishy that I want Santa to bring me for Christmas. Alright. A red squishy and a green squishy. So, I'm gonna cheat, but this is my red squishy, homemade, and this is my green squishy. Well, I'm not really that cheating because it's mint, and mint is a kind of green. So, there you go. A silver and gold squishy, and I don't have either a silver or a gold squishy. I'm going to be doing a dare, 2 dares, which I have 2 dares in this here, so pick one and do the other one. Tape a squishy on your face. Guys, so I got a piece of tape here, and I'm going to tape, let's see, I think I want to tape the scarecrow bun on my face. I'll tape it right here. Yay! Okay. Last but not least, squishy. Put a squishy in the microwave for 10 seconds. And I'm going to be using this squishy. I'm not going to take it out of my microwave, but I will do it. So, it's super hard. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I have the video. I'm just going to show you guys. This squishy didn't really do anything. Mom's watching a movie. There's that. Okay, so I'm just doing that dare for those two. Which squishy would you want as gingerbread? Possibly this squishy, like a cake squishy as a gingerbread. That would be pretty cool. Which squishy would you want as a snowman? I would want a heart as a snowman. Would be really cute. Heart as a snowman. Which squishy would keep you warm in the snow? Panda bun. A panda bun. Pandas are really soft and cute, and so a panda bun would keep me warm in the snow. Last question. Surely not least question. Favorite Christmas squishy? I don't have that, so I'll be taping all my squishies on my face. So let's get started. That was not intended to happen. Alright guys, so let's get started. So, this squishy keeps on falling. So I'm just gonna turp it right back on. Like this. Oh. Keeps on furling. Here. Do it like that. Next, squisher. Guys, I'm only taping on 6. So here's 3. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, leave if you... Wait. Hold on, guys. Leave in the comments if you have done this challenge by the Hollycopter. Shout out to you if you think that I am copying you, or if you think, or if someone thinks that I'm copying her in any way, shape, or form. I am not, and I will repeat that, I am not in any way. I just really like this tag, and people should be happy that I like this tag. I love the Hollycopter. I love your videos, and yeah. But there's like a 1% chance that you're gonna watch this video. But I love you, the Hollycopter, if you are watching this video, and to everyone else, have a very happy Christmas. Christmas is only 2 days away, so I'm really excited, and I will be filming tomorrow. And guys, Christmas vlog on Christmas Day, like the biggest vlog ever. So yeah, stay tuned for that on Sunday. But I really need to take these squishies off my face. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, and yeah, bye.